Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. You cannot believe what I found. I found this baby right here. Oh my goodness. So I was on Facebook Marketplace and I have been looking for one of these for a year. And I finally found one at a great deal, an hour away. So I dropped everything, ran and got it, and I can't wait to share it with you. Oh my gosh, let me turn this around so I can show you. I am so excited. And this is my brand new Conservo, Conservo Schwarzenbach canner cooker steamer. Yes, I paid $30 for it. I'm so excited. It has the little thing that pops up to tell you when the steam is built up, just like on a regular pressure canner. It has a whistle. It's also got, take the whistle off, you can fill the water there. Oh, let me open it up for you. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It does, they say, oops, come on. I'll get that one in a minute. Hard to do with one hand. Open smoothly until I try to open it with one hand. There we go. Copper boiler pot on the bottom. I probably am going to leave it on. It fits over one burner on either a wood or gas or electric stove. I probably wouldn't use it on my electric. I would only use it on this gas. This whistle goes all the way down to the bottom. Almost done. We'll work on that. All the way down to the bottom, and then it tells you when there's steam and when you need to refill it. The little door handles lock. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try this out. I am so excited, and it is in such good shape. It is just beautiful. I am so happy. And again, I got it for $30. They're going for so much more on eBay. I have been looking for one of these for a year since someone posted in Rebel Canners on Facebook that they had one and showed us. I am ecstatic. I'm going through the manual, which I found online. I did want to show you. It measures 12, oops, sorry, 11 3/4 by 11 and a half, 12 by, oops, top here. You measure all the way there. It's about 21 inches tall. So, very handy. Doesn't take up a lot of space, but I am so excited to try this steam canner. Oh, they were marketed between 1907 and 1930. So this is literally older than my mother and possibly older than my grandmother. Yeah. Wow. I am so excited. I am so excited. Here is the front view without me in the way. And here's a view of it with it open. So you can see the 4 different shelves. Side view. Both sides look, and the back look about like this. This is a view of the top. It's a rounded top. So Rebel Canners, expect quite a few more videos with some steam canning in my antique Conservo. I think that'll be fun to show you. And I have not done a lot of steam canning videos, so we'll talk about steam canning some more. And I will show you some hands-on videos with my new to me Conservo. Have a great day, Rebel Canners. If you need more jars or lids, go to the superb website. The link is below. Use the code RebelCanners10 to save 10%. Can all you can. If you like my content, be sure to subscribe and make sure that you've rang the bell so that you don't miss another episode.